bunch of people have been asking for this one. Where like when I started editing with what is it called again? It's called iMovie. I searched up this video, right? And then I went to this video. This chick, she took way too long to do it, so I just told everyone my way. But then they wanted me to make a video, and yeah, this is the video for today. So basically, if I wanted to get some music, just like screen record some. Let's say I wanted. Well, yeah, let's do WAP real quick. So
5G just got real. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro are here on Verizon 5G with the coverage of 5G nationwide and in more and more cities, the performance of 5G ultra wideband. Get iPhone 12 on us when you switch. Only on Verizon.
Then just record how much you want to.
I said certified free, 7 days a week.
I'm not listening to this. Alright, so there's my music. So then I would save the screen recording right here, basically, but I'm not doing that, so I'm just trying to show you guys what to do. And then, let's say you want to screen record a video, like if you're reacting to something or something. Like you would go right here, and you would put it in full screen for a couple of seconds or however long the video is. Like, it's weird to explain, but you have to do you. And then you would go to iMovie. And let me see. Yeah, I made my first montage here, by the way. So basically, I had my music as one part. Okay, so hold on. So let me see something. So like, say I had some music. Let me see. I'm gonna choose. Create. Alright. Let me actually go to movie. Okay. So I still have a bunch of crap on my phone. So, say I wanted my music to be this. Yeah, this right here. Create. So this is my music, right? So I would press on the music, I would detach, which is going to detach the audio. You would delete the video. Oh, freak. Hold up. So you gotta go to that. Now you want to press. Let me see. Okay, so this is gonna be my video. Alright. Then, I don't know. Okay, so you press on all three dots, and you would do audio only. Now you would press on your music, and you would, let me see. God dang, how do you move it again? Oh yeah, I remember. So delete that, go all the way to the start of the video. Okay, and then, boom, and add your music. Oh frick. Yeah, detach, delete that. Holy crap, okay, my bad. So you need to, boom, boom, and then audio only. And now you have your music. See? Hopefully that's not your video in the future, but yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.